Hey guys, it's me Miles, and for today's video, I'm gonna share with you our luxury client suite. So we're gonna have a short walkthrough to our client process and premium Notion dashboard that you can use to have a seamless and very wonderful seamless client experience. All right, so if you guys are ready, let me share my screen. Okay, so we have here our Notion dashboard, as you can see. And first stop is our cover photo. This is for those who are using Notion as their organization platform. So I'm loving Notion right now, and I would like to share this with you guys. So you can change your cover photo using the templates that I have shared with you once that you buy this template. And then you're gonna upload your cover photo. Okay, so the template, guys, you can customize it based on your branding. Okay, so I've just used a simple minimalist and aesthetic dashboard or images um, for this portal. Okay, you can also reposition this image into something like this para hindi makita yung logo if you want to use this. Okay, or if you don't have a time yet. Okay, and let's bring it back. Okay, so next one is you can also change your logo here by clicking this image and upload your logo. Okay, so if you have like a monogram logo, you can upload it here. And for this part, you can change your client's name para mas personalize. And we also have a short description here. And then you have our, receptionist or concierge, your image here, and then you also can change your name. Upload nyo lang yung inyong image dito ng inyong pangalan para iba yung kanyang font. All right, and we have here a greeting for the client, and also meron din tayo ditong mga communication with the client like the email and your social media accounts. So once they click this, they will be redirected to your Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and your website. Next is on the middle part, our journey or the process itself. We have the important files, the onboarding process, strategy and wireframe, building phase, automation, delivery and handover, and the need for support. Of course, we also have the commonly asked questions and the resources and guides. And on the right side, we have here the home or our quick links, the shortcuts. So this is important, guys, kasi we want na madali ma-access ng clients yung mga links natin. So we have here our invoice and payments. So it's in the important files then. So you just have to upload your payment channels here, your bank details, your QR code, and the proposals, the contract, and also yung mga invoice. And upload nyo lang dyan. Also, you can add a date here kung kailan kung kailan yung due date niya. Yan. And let's go back home. We also have here the asset collection as part of the shortcut, because for the assets, it's very important kasi na ma-collect natin din to ng mabilis kay client, at least 3 to 5 days or at least 3 days talaga. So para hindi na mahirapan i-access ni client ito, you just need to click this portion and mapupunta na kayo dun sa asset collection checklist natin. Alright? And I'm just gonna head back to home. Okay. Next is the submission and approval. So when the project started already, andyan yung ating submission phase. We're gonna update client with our inspiration, and then magkakaroon siya ng feedback. So this is the phase 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is linked to our homepage as well. It is linked to our strategy, building, automation, and delivery, and handover. All right. And for the onboarding process, andito naman yung aking onboarding process, guys. So, actually, it's like a whole process din kasi step 1 to 3 talaga yung for the client onboarding. And then the fourth is the submission and approval, and then feedback once na matapos na. So, we're gonna ask the client for testimonials and feedback. And then the walkthrough then ng video, for example, you want to show client around this portal. All right, so for the onboarding process, we have the brand discovery questionnaires, and andito guys yung information ng client. So dito nyo maganda i-upload yung kanyang image, name, the company, email, and also the what you call this, the website, birthday of your client, Instagram, Facebook, and their LinkedIn. So everything in here. And we have here the general information that you would need for your funnel, for your funnel building. Okay, so hindi na natin isa-isahin pa, guys, because this is just a walkthrough, and we're gonna head back home. Ayan. Or on the onboarding process pa din. And we have the brand voice and message. So this is really important then for the copywriting part. If you don't, if you are the one to write their copy sa kanilang landing page, or client will also send you a copy and then you can match it with their voice. All right, and we have here the asset collection that I've shown you earlier. So for the asset collection, we have here, of course, the logo, brand boards, brand guidelines, and videos, photos, and everything. And of course, meron din ditong easy submission next step. Okay, easy next step. Okay, so something like that. So, yan, that's it. And then let's go back home again. So we have here the shortcut for payment, like 70/30 schedule. It's also on the important files, but it is synced. I believe it is synced, so you can upload here so that it's visible to your client right away. And then we have here the where to pay. This is your payment channel. It's also inside the important files as well, na easily accessible siya, para hindi din siya cluttered tignan dito sa inyong mismong homepage. And of course, we have the progress. So the progress is actually just at the bottom, no? Para hindi na mag-scroll ang client, and the status as well. So the status is also at the bottom. So for the progress report, this is the timeline and the phases. So we have phase 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and of course 5. So let me edit this one. So yan. We have here yung processes po all throughout building the funnels. All right. Yeah, so I also have, kasi sometimes you can forget that you have to do the mobile, and you also need to create forms. So it's very important that you document it here para madali din makita ng client. So you just click once done. And for the status naman, for real-time status, we have here the research phase, strategy, design, build, automation, etc. And you can, once done, you can schedule the handover with the client, and you can drag and drop. Okay. And also we have here the footer, I can say. So this one is my email signature that I have also shared with this product that you can also edit. And I just put it here para hindi siya empty. So, no, para maganda siyang tingnan as a landing page. So, I think yeah, I think that's it for our walkthrough. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you need this, if you need this client onboarding system, just click the link down below. Again. So yeah, I hope to see you guys in our community. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.